Hello, I am Danny Niemela with ArDan Construction here in Phoenix, Arizona. One question we often get asked from potential clients is, what does our process look like? And here's a few things of what you can expect from the moment that you pick up the phone to call us or send us a first email. So initially what we do is we like to spend about 20 to 30 minutes on the phone just talking about your project and what you have in mind, and also what you're looking for in a contractor. If we determine that we are going to be a good fit for each other and for your project, we will like to set up a in-house consultation where we will come out and take a look at your home, which typically takes about an hour to hour and a half of time, where we will dive in deeper about your project, talk about your overall budget and what you're looking for to accomplish with your remodel. And then, depending on the size and complexity of a project, we'll determine the next steps of what to expect. We do typically work underneath a PSA, which is called our Professional Services Agreement, and it is essentially a design retainer where we will collect a small fee up front to put together your project in full detail, along with a detailed proposal and a fixed price at the end of the project. Once we meet together again and present that proposal, usually our lead time to start a project varies between 4 and 6 weeks from the start of sign of contract.